Hello everyone, this is our first Arduino tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn basics about Arduino and our first LED blinking code. As you can see here, from 0 to pin number 13, these are all digital pins. But as you can see over here, there is a mark over here, sign mark, which indicates it can also output PWM. That we will learn later on. If we go to the next slide, we have here all the analog pins from A0 to A5. These are all analog pins. This is VN. VN means you can input 9 volts from here also. Ground, we have 2 grounds over here and 1 ground over here. 5 volts. As you can see over here, 5 volts, 3.3 volts, reset button. We have the reset button over here also. This is the power input. We can power it through laptop. We can power 9 volts from here, the V in and ground from here and here. This is also power jack. This is crystal. First let's check it if we can power it through 9 volts as I have told you. Okay, this is a 9 volt battery I have in my hand, and we have here V in and ground. So let's attach it. V in, I can put 9 volts and ground over here. As you can see, it is working with the 9 volt battery. Now let's check it with the Arduino wire through the power cable. The other side of the pin is connected with the laptop, and this side will be connected to the Arduino. It's powered up. Okay, there is an inbuilt resistor in pin number 13, so we can attach the LED directly at pin number 13. I have already installed a blinking code at pin number 13. So it is blinking after every second. It glows for 1 second and it turns off for 1 second. So now let's go for the code. Now let's open Arduino IDE. This is how its logo looks. Okay, for the first time, what you have to do, you have to go to tools. You have to see the port, if the port is selected properly. See, if I disattach it, this was pin number 3, like COM number 3. Now let's check it again. The port is 0. It is showing nothing. Now let's attach it again. See, COM number 3 again. If it is not selected, you have to select it from here. You have to select the board from here. These are all the boards. If you are using Nano, then this one will be selected. If you are using the Mega, then this one will be selected. But I am using UNO. This one over here, is the compiler. You can compile the code and check if it is okay or no. And this is the one which will send your code to the controller. For the first example, we will go over here, example, basics and blink. The backslash and star, that means the comment has started from here to here. This is just for the comment. You can also add for a single line these two backslashes for the comment. For the code, it only has two main regions. One is the void setup and the other is the void loop. The loop runs again and again. Void setup runs only one time and it tells the controller what to do before the actual code. Pin mood LED built-in output. The LED built-in output is actually the pin number 13. We can also define it up over here, but it is already defined, so we will not do anything. In the void setup, pin mood LED built-in output, that means that you will do something at pin number 13, that something will be the output. You can, if you write it input, that means you are taking something inside the pin. That means you are using that pin as a input. Over here, LED built-in high, that means it will turn on the LED. Delay 1000 milliseconds, that means 1 second. LED button built-in low, that means turn off the LED button. That means turn off the LED. For how much time? For 1 second. That's why we have written over here for 1 second. That's enough with the code, I think. When you upload it from here, it will start to blink. Like this. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please do like, subscribe and share. We will also tell you more about the Arduino in detail, and more projects will be done in every Sunday lesson. Thank you.